Hi, welcome back. My name is Imam Ali. In today's lesson, I am discussing or introducing the verb to be. How to use the to be verb. We use to be to give and ask for information. For example, I am Tom. I'm giving information. The story isn't true. It's also information. Giving information. Or is he an English? In this example, what I do, I am asking for information. We use to be with ages. For example, two boys are 15 years old. In this sentence, I am just giving the age of the boy. See, 15 years old is the age. So that's why I'm using the to be verb here with the age, or 15 years old. In the first sentence, I'm using the to be with Tom, name. And in the second sentence, I'm using is, which is to be with the story. Okay, the story isn't true. So in the third example, I use to be to make question, to ask for information. See, 15 years old is the age. We use be and un with jobs. Example, she is a teacher. In this example, as you're the witness, we have the subject to be, we have the subject, we have the to be, and we have and we have the job here. See, this is a to be verb. So use be, so I used be here, and I used here with job, so it's obvious that teacher is the job. In the second example, he's an astronaut. He's an astronaut in this example, so I used subject, then I used the to be, but in this time I'm not using and instead I'm using an. Now maybe you're thinking that why I'm using an instead of so the cause is the a here. So a is the vowel sound. A is the vowel sound, so if a word starts with a vowel sound, so you have to use from an, not from a. See, that's the problem. We use the fourth usage. We use be to describe the weather. For example, it's cold here. As you know, the word cold describe the weather, and I'm using to be as to describe with cold to describe the weather, and is followed by the word cold. Cold. And we use be to talk about the time and also place. For example, it's 6 o'clock. As in definition, we said that it talked about the time. So if I use to be here as 6 o'clock is the time. See? And in the second example, John is in New York. In New York is the place. So I use to be with the place. There is a full form and a short form of to be. For example, the full form of to be is I am. The short form is am. Now the question is where we can use the short form of to be. So it's very common to use the short form of to be in conversation. If you're using in the written language, in written, if you want to use it in written, so you have to use the short form with the pronoun, like they are. But we should not use the contraction with the nouns. For example, John is not well. In this sentence, I cannot use the contraction with John's not well. Okay, instead by using the short form in he's. Okay, so he's sick. Remember this, always you have to use the contraction with the pronouns. Don't write the contraction with the noun because it's not common. How to form statement and negative with be. So we form the statement by using subject plus to be, like I am or am. So if the subject is you, we, they, we use are. For example, you are, we are, and they are. For the short form, you have to use this. You have to omit a and and use apostrophe plus or e, like you're, we're, they are. So for the third person, he, she, it, we use apostrophe plus is for the contraction, but the full form I is. For example, he is, she is, or it is. So what is the pronunciation of the contraction? So I can say he's, she's, and it's. So the short form has something else and the full form has something else. For example, if I say the full form of I am, so I'm creating two syllable, I am. But if I use the contraction, so in this case I convert two syllable to one syllable, like he's, it's one syllable, like she's. Okay, but if it's full form, so I can say he is, it's two syllable, she is, it's also two syllable, or it is, it's also the two syllable. For the negative, what you have to do, I have to say I'm not, or I'm not, and you are not, we are not, or they are not. But the short form is you aren't, they aren't, or and we aren't. Remember, we can short only one word. It depends on you. If you want to shorten the verbs, you have to go with the r. Like, and if you don't want to do this, then you have to short the not word. For example, aren't or not. For third person, he's not, she is not, or it is not. The short form is he isn't, she isn't, or it isn't. How we can form questions? It is very simple to form question. So if you want to change a sentence from positive to question, so you have to bring only to be at the beginning of the sentence. Like, I'm a teacher. The question is, am I a teacher? You are a teacher. The question is, are you a teacher? So I'm bringing are at the beginning. Are you? Are we? Or are they? For the he, she, it, you have to bring is at the beginning. He is a teacher. Is he a teacher? She is a teacher. Is she a teacher? It's a computer. Is it a computer? So you can have two sort of the answers. You can have the short answer, or you can have the full answer. Am I a teacher? Yes, I am. The short answer. For the full answer, am I a teacher? Yes, I am a teacher. This is the full answer. So for the answer, you can give whether a negative answer or a positive answer. Am I a teacher? Yes, I am. Yes, I am is a short positive answer. A negative answer is no, I am not. Now let's practice. Underline the correct option. So you have got three options here. B, M, is. Choose which one is the right. I, be right. I am right, or I is right. Correct. M is the right answer. I am 12 years old. Second sentence. Which one is right for they? B, M, R. Correct. R is the right answer. They are in the garden. Question number 3. For it, which to be verb is the right answer? M, is, R. Correct. Is the right answer. It is 6 o'clock. Number 4. For the subject you, which to be verb is the right answer? B, is, are. Correct. R is the right answer. You are a dentist. Number 5. For subject I, which one is the right answer? M, is, or R? Right. M is the right answer. Thank you. I am at station. So question number 6. Which one is the right answer? M, is, or R? Correct. It is the right answer. It is very hot. Number 7. My sister. For my sister, which one is right? M, is, or R? Correct. My sister is at work. Number 8. Which one is right for I? M, R, is. Correct. M is the right answer. I am very hungry. Number 9. We am, we is, or we are students. Right, always the right answer. We are students. The last question, the book am, the book is, or the book are. The book is, very good. The book is about tigers. So it was the lesson for today, and thank you very much. If you like my video, just give me a thumbs up and write your comment below and subscribe my YouTube channel.